In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana and Jira with two-way sync and automated updates. Integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your project management workflow, saving you and your team time and improving efficiency. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get everything set up in Zapier. If you don't already have an account, head over to zapier.com and sign up. For those who already have an account, just go ahead and log in. Zapier is a fantastic automation tool that lets you connect different apps to perform tasks automatically, which is exactly what we'll be doing here. Next, let's create our first automation known in Zapier as a zap. Once you're logged into Zapier, you'll want to create a new zap. Think of a zap as your personal automation recipe. The first step of any zap is setting the trigger. This is the event that kicks off your automation. For our example, we're going to use Asana as the trigger app. Choose Asana and then decide on the specific event that should trigger this action, like a new task being created or an existing task being updated. After choosing the trigger event, you'll need to connect your Asana account to Zapier. This ensures Zapier can access your Asana data. Select the specific project within Asana that you want to keep in sync with Jira. Now it's time to set the action, which is what Zapier will do after the trigger event occurs. Our action app here will be Jira Software Cloud. Select the action you want to take place in Jira, like creating a new issue or updating an existing one. A critical step in this process is mapping the fields. You'll want to map corresponding fields between Asana and Jira, such as task title to issue summary and due dates to ensure information flows accurately. Once you're done setting up these details, activate the zap. Make sure to test it and see that everything works smoothly before moving on. Now for the reverse process, let's create a second zap to sync data from Jira to Asana. Start by creating another new zap, set the trigger with Jira Software Cloud this time, pick the event that should initiate changes in Asana, such as a new issue being created or an existing one being updated. Again, connect your Jira account to Zapier and pick the project or board you want synced. For the action, select Asana as the action app and choose whether to create or update a task. Just like before, take some time to map the fields carefully between Jira and Asana, ensuring the information is consistent across both platforms. Once satisfied with the setup, activate this second zap after a successful test. Remember, for a true two-way sync, both zaps need to run simultaneously. Although Zapier doesn't currently support direct two-way sync, both of these individual zaps create a loop that covers updates across both tools. Ensure that your mappings are accurate and the triggers are well configured for seamless updates. And there you have it. With these steps, you've connected Asana and Jira with a two-way sync, allowing for hassle-free and automated updates. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.